It is day 2 of debates at the United Nations General Assembly today. This is the centerpiece of gathering of world leaders. On Tuesday, President of the host country, United States, wielded the big stick on North Korea, and that has been the prime talking point, not just for international leaders, but for Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari. Today, he will be meeting in a lunch with the President Donald Trump, with eight other African countries, including Cote d'Ivoire, Ethiopia, Ghana, Guinea, Senegal, Namibia, South Africa, and even Uganda. And not much is expected to be said at that meeting, but later in the day at 7:15 local time, he will be having bilateral talks with the Secretary General of the United Nations, where it is expected that he will revisit the issue of holding talks with North Korea in the bid to find lasting solution to this problem in the best interest of all nations. We'll bring you more details as it unfolds. From the United Nations headquarters here in New York, Gloria Umezuke, Channels Television News.